What's up?
I still love that after 7 years.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Bira 91, one of the fastest growing beer brands in the world, has just wowed the industry at Europe's most important beer competition. This is the highest level of recognition in the industry, the Oscars of the beer world.
You are original, you are one of a kind.
The brand won 5 medals across categories. The crisp and refreshing blonde summer lager won a gold in the lager category, while the rich and malty Bira 91 Boom Strong won a silver. Their flagship wheat beer, Bira 91 White, received the bronze along with Boom Classic. And Bira IPA, the contemporary India's love for experimentation and flavor, won double gold. After this great honorable moment, Ankur Jain commented, Bira 91 in a short span has become a global brand and been expanding its footprint. The company has been growing at a strong double-digit growth rate over the last few years and has expanded across 16 markets internationally, which includes the USA, UK, UAE, Singapore, Australia, Vietnam and Thailand. That's it from me today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and share. Enable those notifications. I'll be seeing you in the next one.